Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. We are on the road. We are on the road trip. On the road trip to an adventure,
I'm not going to adventure, but I'm going picnic.
You hear that? Who was talking to you, boy? Huh? Who was talking to you? Nobody, so why are you talking?
Just because I want to say something.
Yes, so if you want to say something, what you supposed to say?
Excuse me, Mama.
Exactly, you were supposed to say that before you start talking and wait to be acknowledged, right? Right. Can you say morning to the Faves? Where are we going?
I don't know.
Ah!
Going picnic.
Okay, but you don't know where's the picnic spot, right? Alright, when we get there, you'll see. Say morning, husband.
Good morning, guys.
Say morning, Sarah. Oh, she's sleeping. Sarah is sleeping, and everybody else is rocking out in the car while we're on our road trip. When we get to our destination, you guys will see where it is, but we're on an excursion. That's what they call it? I don't know. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys will enjoy today's little outing with us. Hold on tight. Today's little outing with us. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and keep up with the fandom, and don't skip them ads, girl. Okay. Yes, Ty?
I just saw 2 little water tanks.
You just saw 2 little water tanks.
Yes, one red and one white.
Okay. And you guys, I'm rocking my glasses from Primark. I'm rocking my outfit from Primark, and my head wrap is by African Fabs from Jane. Go and get your head wrap from African Fabs. African Fabs have the most fabulous fabrics and the most cutest head wraps and outfits that you can ever find in African prints. Trust and believe that. And they have earrings too. I'm not rocking African Fabs earring today, but in previous vlogs you would have seen it, and head over there, you'll see many options. Anyway, you guys, we are on this road, so catch you guys in a bit. Everybody ready? Ready, Ty? That's the view from the start, and we're about to head to the trail right now. Oh, look at that view. The only thing about this trail is this is a real trail. A lot of stones, and it's like just a pathway that we're walking in, but we're on our way. Through the bushes we go. Look at that. Wow. So pretty. It's just us on this trail.
Find pretty place.
Yeah. It's just us on this trail, so we're good. I think we've seen 2 couples so far. One is all the way behind us and one is all the way in front of us. But we're doing good.
Mama.
Yes, Ty?
We didn't bring no cup. We just need to drink the coca by the tea.
Look at that view.
Papa, regarde
Beautiful.
en bas. C'est comme si on faisait du feu de camp.
Careful. Take your time. This trail is full of stones. Go, Ty, go. Well, my girl's chilling. She chilling. Look at this view behind me. What a beauty. What a beauty. Views for days. Tyler getting tree education. Tree ed.
Voilà, comme ça si tu prends des cartes, tu peux retrouver le chemin tout seul. A tired woman?
Yeah, I did.
You did, but we just started.
Exactly.
Well, it's best to start the hill when you're fresh than when you're tired at the end. You didn't work out this morning?
No.
Why?
You're mad. And I know I have this to come tackle. No, no, no. After me, no animal. I can see somebody far in the distance. You see?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Maybe that's where we're going.
Exactly.
I don't know.
Oh my God.
I'm just following.
Oh my God. That's it.
No, it's written easy.
Easy.
So you have mountain on one side, beach on the other side. Eh? Ah, you better dress than the last time. Oh, you put the things where you need to? Mm-hmm. Careful, cause when you go down it's harder than when you go up. You have to be very careful. Oui.
We need to stop at Carrefour. We're going back.
Buy my shoes?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I need the shower soap for Sarah.
Okay. 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 Because of coronavirus, we're gonna stay here and do a lot of hiking. Hey guys, honey?
Oh,
Right?
yeah.
Yeah, you enjoying?
Tired, but we're going.
You tired already?
Yes.
So we're gonna have to find somewhere to stop to feed the kids. Look at the view. That's gonna be the picnic view. Yeah. Okay, I'm coming.
Princess, Tyler gone. Hold it. Hold it.
You want to go stop it here in the middle or continually? Continue a bit. Qu'est-ce qu'il a dit? Ah. Good job, we're on the right way, Tyler.
Yes.
gosh.
Wow.
It's so pretty.
Wow.
Isn't it
That's
pretty?
queen.
It's a queen.
What is it, Tyler?
A queen.
It's a
Have
queen.
a crown on his head.
On her head.
On her
Queen is a woman and king is a man. Oh, you feel that cool breeze.
It's a break. It's lunch break. What you gonna eat, Tyler?
Sandwich.
Sandwich?
Yes. I'm really hungry.
Okay. So we're gonna eat.
Papa, c'est quoi ce drapeau?
I don't know.
Ça veut dire?
You ready to start? Come.
Yeah, you guys, we finished eating lunch, took a little break. They played domino, they played Uno and all that shebang. And now we're continuing on
You
to the
ready?
second part and we're ready. Sarah, you ready?
Tyler? This section looks better
Oh yeah,
for
bike,
biking,
cars.
for, well,
don't know
I
if
won't
this
say
is
much
how
cars,
it
but I will
is.
say people running, and yeah, this way is nice. And we have the mountain all around.
Bridge.
You see the bridge there?
Yes, so with this thing that looks like a circle.
And you see on the bottom, this is the chain rail.
Oh no, I don't see the train.
Yes, here.
I don't see the train because it's dark. But I see the bridge.
Okay. You see the sign, Tyler? And you see Mama gone far?
Mama, stop!
That's okay, Tyler. Oh, that's a nice little hill. Hi guys, we're back on the road.
Right way.
Right way. This is what's showing the right way.
Yes.
Alright, let's find the other one.
And yellow and a flag.
You're in top of the mountain peak. Which peak we going?
Yes, see? We need to turn that way.
Look at that. Shh. Whoops, Tyler. I think we're going to one of these peak.
Die.
And then we're going back down.
Babe, get in the picture.
Ooh,
Tyler is honey.
I'm coming. Yeah, look at it. Well, we follow what the directions say. Yeah, the other one longer. You have a passenger.
Oh, bird food. Where is the bird? They should be somewhere in one of those trees.
Yeah, what? Yeah, taxi. Yeah, human taxi.
Take out my... And we've made it to the end. Woohoo! We made it. Tyler, you walked the entire way.
You did
Good job.
Yes, but I'm want to rest.
You want to rest?
Yes,
Alright, let's go rest at the car.
Quand je vais être encore plus grand.
Quand j'aurai 5 ans,
Quand j'aurai 5
je
ans.
serai encore plus grand. C'est pour maman, quand j'aurai, verbe avoir.
You know, that's what I'm here saying in my head, right? Hey guys, we are back home. Can you tell I'm tired? We're all tired. And we got home, we shower, we snack, and now I'm making dinner. And because I'm tired, of course, I'm not doing a big cooking today, so I just throw some chicken in the oven to jerk, and I'm just doing some fries. So everybody's having fries and chicken tonight. Taylor is having nuggets, and Babe and I are gonna have the pepper jerk. Lots of pepper. Look at these two. Look how the sun burn up, babe. Nick.
We are in the car. Hi guys! Yes, Tara is talking.
Tara.
That doesn't change. Hi guys, we're back home and I'm about to eat my dinner. Let me show you what my dinner is. My mouth is on fire. If I'm crying, that's because of the chicken. Look at this chicken. No, it not burn. That's jerk chicken like this. Then it look burn on camera. But it look good. Look at this. Damn. One piece in my mouth is running already. Let's see if I can manage one chicken and how long my mouth will burn me after that. Hey guys, I need to shave, but when I put on the mask, nobody sees it, so I don't.